Welcome to my new video, Monitor and Control Project Work. Monitor and Control Project Work process is a part of monitoring and controlling process group of project management. It is the process of tracking, reviewing and reporting the progress to meet the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. So first thing is that you must complete your planning work, and next step we is produce deliverables in executing process group. While producing deliverables in executing process group, there is another department or a project management team monitors each and everything according to the project management plan. So monitoring and controlling project work involves looking at what is actually happening on the project and comparing that performance to what was planned. So you must balance your project work. Scope may be completed, but the quality may not be acceptable. Schedule might be met, but at excessive cost. It is the responsibility of a project manager to control the project. However, many project managers fail to their projects according to the project management plan. So what do you need to manage or monitor your project work? Is you need project management plan, because project management plan contains a scope baseline, it contains a schedule baseline, it contains cost baseline, and obviously you are going to monitor your project work, so you need schedule forecasting, cost forecast, validated changes, work performance information, and two common inputs: enterprise environmental factors and organization process assets. So let's talk about in detail. Monitoring is an aspect of project management performed throughout the project. Monitoring includes collecting, measuring and distributing performance information and assessing measurement and trends to affect processes improvement. Continuous monitoring gives the project management team insight into the health of the project and identifies any area that may require special attention. Control includes determining corrective or preventive actions or replanning and follow up on actions plan to determine whether the actions taken resolved the performance issue. It is concerned with comparing actual performance against the management plan. So during the execution phase of the project, you will take your project deliverables and you will correlate with the project management plan. So as input you need schedule forecast. Schedule forecast are derived from the progress against the schedule baseline and computed time estimate to complete. Don't worry, I will upload my videos on earned value management in detail, where we cover every process, that is plan cost, actual cost, estimate cost, to complete performance index, everything. And so we are talking about schedule forecast. The schedule forecast are derived from the progress against the schedule baseline and computed time to complete, etc. This is typically expressed of schedule variance and schedule performance index. For project not using earned value management, variance against the planned finishes dates and forecasted finish dates are provided. I will upload my videos on earned value management and you will learn a lot in those videos. Cost forecast also comes from the earned value management. The cost forecasts are derived from the progress against the cost baseline and computed estimate to complete. This is typically expressed in terms of cost variances and cost performance indexes. An estimate at completion can be compared to the budget at completion to see if the project is still within the tolerance range or if a change request is required. You need validated changes. You need work performance information, which comes from the output of direct and managed process groups of project management. And in tool and techniques, you need expert judgment. Expert judgment is used by project management team to interpret the information provided by the monitor and control processes. The project manager is in collaboration with the team determines the action required to ensure that the project performance matches the expectations. You need analytical techniques are applied in project management to forecast potential outcomes based on the possible variations of project. You need change request as an output, that is corrective actions, preventive actions and defect repairs. A corrective action an intentional activity that realigns the performance of the project work within the project management plan. Preventive action an intentional activity that ensures the future performance of the project work is aligned with the project management plan. And defect repairs an intentional activity to modify a non-conforming product or product component. And next output is to produce work performance reports. Work performance reports are the physical or electronic representation of work performance information compiled in project documents by using different pie charts, Gantt charts, bar graphs, milestone documents. Such things are called work performance reports. And obviously we cannot neglect here earned value management. So we have talked about the monitor and control process group. Monitor and control project work process is crucial to meet the desired outcomes of the project, because if one does not measure the performance, they will not be able to know how the project is going, and this is significant risk for the failure of project. So to explain in simple words, in monitor and control project work, all you need is to correlate your deliverables which we perform and produce in executing process group with the project management plan and project documents to find out any issues to fix well on time and within budget. As verbs, the difference between monitor and control is that monitor is to watch over, to guard, while control is to exercise influence over, to suggest or dictate the behavior of. So in inputs, you need project management plan, schedule forecast, cost forecast, which comes from earned value management, of the control cost process of project cost management, validated changes, work performance information. Based on these documents and when you apply your tools and techniques, you can either produce change request and outputs, or you can prepare different reports for your presentation to the higher management of the project management. And obviously you will update project management plan and project documents as well. Do not forget, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Thank you.